Alright, so you have seen us cooking a lot of dishes, a lot of non-vegetarian dishes. So we were doing something exciting today in the evening, and we are actually kind of having very classic Indian street snack for dinner, and we call it Paapdi and Bhalla Chaat. So we already have the preparations here, and what we will do is we will start plating it. And there are a lot of things that we need for assembling this dish. So I will be explaining at each stage when I will be putting a new ingredient on the plate. So we'll start with an empty plate, of course, and then we will keep a bowl of white, well-beaten thick yogurt here. Then after that, what we will do is we will take some all-purpose flour crisps, which we have here. We call them Paapdi, and this is what this chart is all about. So that's the first main ingredient. So what we will do is that we will take a Paapdi, which is the crisp, all-purpose flour crisp. We will dip it in yogurt and we will put it on the plate. And we will do that to all the Paapdi that we have here with us. And we have to make sure that the yogurt is cold, it's chilled, so that temperature lesser of the products. This is a cold snack, and while I'm talking to you, I'm putting these Paapdis here, and then we'll put some Paapdis here. Sorry for my bad throat. Next thing that we are going to do is we are going to get some fritters made with lentils and then soaked in water. So these are the fritters which have been made with lentils, flour, and then deep fried and then later soaked. So if you see that they are pretty soft and very. So what we'll do is that we'll dip them in yogurt again and place them on our plate. We'll do that to 3 of these lentil crisps. That's what makes a base of the iconic Indian street food snack called Paapdi Bhalla Chaat or Bhalla Paapdi Chaat, whatever way you want to call it. Here we go. Alright, so once done, the next step is to drizzle some, yes, you guessed it right, yogurt on it. So what we do is take the same yogurt and we'll drizzle it. We'll coat all our crisps and the lentil fritters with the yogurt, and then after that the next step is to add some other ingredients like this potato mash. So we'll get some of the potato mash and then we'll sprinkle it all over the dish, and then once gone, the next ingredient is going to be boiled and seasoned garbanzo. So we'll get some of these and we'll sprinkle them. We'll do it here again. And then more, I love them. And then we will coat it. It's a pretty simple to assemble. It's pretty simple to assemble the dish. What we'll do is that we will sprinkle some of our chaat masala. We have 2 types of chaat masala for this. One is a little bit roughly blended, and then the other one is a little bit finely blended. So 2 pinches of roughly blended chaat masala, you can see here, and then we'll get the finely blended chaat masala here. So we will sprinkle that here as well. And after that, the next one is, of course, nothing finishes without the chilies. So we have some chili flakes here. We need to sprinkle some chili flakes here. And then now, the next stage is to coat it. How are we going to coat it? Again, we'll start with yogurt. Bit of yogurt. Then we'll get the spicy green coriander and lemon chutney. It's spicy, it's sour, it's vibrant, and it's very bold actually. So we put some of it here, and then after that we move on to another type of chutney, which is made with tamarind, the sweet, more sweet, less sour, with some raisins in it. So we top it up. And maybe 3-4 teaspoons or 3-4 tablespoons in some cases if you have a sweet tooth. And then what we'll do is we'll do another coat of yogurt here. And a little bit drizzle of the green chutney again. And then we will go back to our spices. Half a pinch of each type of chaat masala. Half a pinch of chili flakes again, and then we have this pani puri, the fluffy fritter, golgappas, pani puri, whatever you want to call it. So what we'll do is we'll crush it just like this, and we will garnish our papdi chaat with this fritter. And there you have it, the classic Indian snack, street food, papdi and bhalla chaat, or bhalla papdi chaat, whatever you want to call it. Let's enjoy it.